Are you hungry? Would you like something to eat? But you already had your dinner. You want my dinner? Really? But I want my dinner. I would like to finish eating my dinner. Really? Why are you so hungry? All you did is sleep all day. You're starving to death? Oh no. That's pathetic. That's very sad. Is there a tail back there? Yup. Sing it, Deucey. Sing for me. That's the Deuce version of singing the blues. That's pretty good.